So if I may.
Yeah, sure.
Coming to the measurable part. Something like a decade, I mean literal decade ago, I read a book that was written, I think, in 50s or 60s, and it was about software testing. Yes, they had software then, it was pretty different software at the time. And the thing was that the main point of the writer was that there are always bugs in the software. I mean, the software always has some sort of flaws in it. No matter how well you test it, how well you write it, there will be something.
Yeah.
And the testing session should always end up finding bugs. But the point is that if you end the session and say that, okay, we found these 10 bugs after huge amount of effort, we managed to find 10 bugs. It wasn't easy. I mean, first time we tested, we found them in one day. Now it took us a week. And in addition to that, all of the bugs are like things that this rectangle should be a bit more to the left, and that button should actually be highlighted. Stuff that, well, we can live with that. Then you know that yes, now the software is in a good quality.
Yeah.
The problems are small, but the thing is, you can always demand that bugs must be found. There has to be found something.
Yeah. If you start with an assumption that there will be bugs that we find, I'm pretty confident that you will find bugs. If you start with that assumption. So our assumptions bias the outcome that we get. I've been doing coding myself as well. I developed 60 applications, for example, and that was really hard doing on C, I think. But anyways, I did my part of coding as well. And even though you make a perfect module of software, you code it perfectly, there are always dependencies that you don't have control over that might cause something to fail later.
Yeah. I mean, even if you could control the whole software, the hardware that you run it on might have a bug.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. There are hardware-related bugs, interface-related bugs. There are even compiler-related bugs. So even though you do a perfect job as a developer, there still will be bugs to be found.